Hi students, today we will discuss 5th class English Bridging Gap Activity 3 Worksheet 1. This video, I missed this video. I already take this video but I missed whatever it. Okay, I will only recall this video for you. First bit, name the people you see in the picture. Okay, what's going on in this picture? There are so many people are there. Here you observe so many people are there in this picture. Okay, we will find out the peoples in this picture. Here toy seller. Who is she? She is Sumana. She is her mother. Here is Abhi. He is her father, grandfather. Here balloon seller, ice cream seller, children's, girls, boys, women, men, so many people are there. Okay, we will write down these people's names. First of all, I write here Abhi, Abhi, Abhi. Second one, grandfather, Grandfather, grandfather. Next, who is she? She is Sumana, Sumana, Sumana. Next, toy seller, Toyseller, toy seller. And who is she? She is Sumana's mother, Mother, mother. Okay, here boys, 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 Girls, girls, men, women. So many people are there in this picture. Children also. Girls, boys, both together, children. Write the action words related to the above pictures. What are their action words in this picture? They are buying, he is selling, they are standing, they are watching, he is carrying a cat, he is selling balloons, here he is selling ice cream, they are buying ice cream. Okay, those are like here. Okay, I will write some action words related to that picture. Sitting, talking, sitting, 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 talking, 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 watching, 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 standing, 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 carrying, 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 buying, buying, selling, selling, walking, walking. Okay. Okay, next one. Write simple sentences to combining combining naming words and action words. We use these words and these words, naming words and action words. Use these words and we get sentences. Okay, I will write down these sentences. Abhi and grandfather are talking. The sentences is made by combining of these words. Toy seller is selling toys. Sumana is buying toys. Abhi is carrying a cat. Mother is standing. Here, Abhi and grandfather are talking. Toy seller is selling toys. Sumana is buying toys. Abhi is carrying a cat. Mother is standing. These words are written by these two words combining. Okay. Thank you for watching.